well, a larger piece from the Royal Albert silver maple bone china set made by Royal Albert. This is the coffee pot from the coffee set. We're listing this with the opportunity to buy separately the little quarter pint milk jug, small sugar basin, and 6 of the duos of demi-tasse or espresso coffee cups and saucers. Silver maple was a pattern that proved very popular for Royal Albert, and let me show you over this coffee pot. You hopefully appreciate why. Lovely areas of decoration, beautiful button handle, really nicely picked out with the detailing highlighted by the gilt decoration. Moulded dome in this coffee pot lid in absolutely perfect condition, little retaining slit just on it there. But what a beautiful little piece of English porcelain history. The coffee pot itself, again, Hampton shape. Look how clean that is inside. Don't think this one's been used. Now, a lot of them weren't. They were bought as expensive pieces of bone china when they came from the factory new, and a lot were only bought out for very special occasions or just for display purposes in the end. The gilt on this piece is in absolutely mint condition. The retention ring works really well. The china marks are first quality Royal Albert silver maple, absolutely right for the period, so we're confident this is as good and fine a piece of Royal Albert silver maple if you're looking for a coffee pot that you're likely to find anywhere on the internet. Description link below will take you through to our website listing. As I've mentioned earlier, we have got quite a few pieces in silver maple, so if you're looking for replacements or to put a set together, got the opportunity on both the coffee set and the tea set at this time. Thanks for watching.